Welcome to the UQ Lakes, where the air hums with avian melodies. Our first subjects are the ubiquitous ducks. The Australian wood ducks glide gracefully, their iridescent plumage catching the morning light. Their quacks resonate, a language of camaraderie. The ibis, or bin chicken, as affectionately dubbed by locals. These scavengers are the true custodians of UQ Lakes, using their long curved beaks to clean up after picnickers and students alike. The Australian magpie. Their black and white plumage contrasts sharply against the azure sky. Each magpie has a unique song. It's their way of saying, "This is our territory." And now a rare sighting, the elusive early bird. Before you hear today is one of the last remaining early birds. An extremely endangered species. Ecologists predict its extinction is imminent, with a consensus that after this Sunday evening, we will no longer see the early bird. It waits patiently for all keen bird watchers to marvel at its sight and register for the UQ Evangelical Students Mid-Year Conference. As the sun kisses the horizon, it vanishes, leaving behind a sense of anticipation.